Make a great choice today with the 2026 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.